Well, hey, Deezetians. I'd like to take a moment today to talk about this channel, Deez Eats. Being fully aware that there are more food shows than I could possibly fathom, I went ahead and made a decision to expand our horizons here. Perhaps reach out to more amazing people out there in YouTube land. No worries though, I will continue to bring simple, delicious foods, mostly steak and beef, to share with you. And most importantly, always have fun. So I tell you that to tell you this. Some episodes from now on are gonna go outside the box. Maybe the Deez Eats variety show on occasion. So, without further ado, I present our very first Deez Eats original music video. I hope you like it. Please enjoy. And also, if you like to support us, we have it listed on our website. You can do Patreon. Of course, please subscribe to our channel. It'll help us immensely. And if you care to, please like us as well. So long and enjoy the song.
A Deez Eats exclusive.
Fell so far from the world of my dreams, crashing into this life now it seems it's the life that I share with you. Please don't doubt that my heart is true, this heart that I give to you. Don't you know that I love you? Don't you know that it's true?